With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question here says read the following statements 1 to 4, and when you have to find out the correct statements, so number of the correct statements are to be found out. So let's see the statement number 1. It says that the machine that is used to obtain the ECG is called as an electrocardiograph. The statement here is correct, while the record which is done on the paper is called as an electrocardiogram. So electrocardiogram is a record of the electrical activity of the heart in the form of certain waves which are obtained in the paper. And in this, the electrical leads are used on the chest region, back region, wrist, and on the ankle also. So the clinical diagnosis of various types of heart diseases can be done with this. So A statement is correct here. B statement says that the volume of blood pumped out by each ventricle per cardiac cycle is called as cardiac output. Remember, it is not the cardiac output, it is the stroke volume, and this value is approximately equal to 70 ml of the blood which is pumped out by each ventricle with each beat, while the cardiac output is the amount of blood which is pumped out per minute. So this becomes heart rate into the stroke volume, and this is approximately equal to 5000 ml, or we can say 5 liters. The total amount of blood in the body of a healthy individual can pass through the heart in 1 minute. So B statement here is the wrong. The third statement is the second heart sound is associated with opening of the semilunar valves. Remember, the second heart sound is associated with not with the opening but with the closing of the semilunar valves, whereas the first heart sound is associated with the closing of the bicuspid and the tricuspid valve. So this statement is also wrong. The D1 says that the hypertension is associated by the systolic and the diastolic blood pressure in millimeter of mercury, while the normal blood pressure here is 120 by 80 mm of mercury, which is considered to be normal. But anything above the 140 systolic or above the 90 mm of mercury diastolic blood pressure can be considered as hypertension by WHO. So this statement is correct here. So the only right statement here is statement number 1 and statement number 4. So we can say that 2 statements are correct while the other 2 are wrong. So we can mark option number 1 as a right answer for this question. This is all about this query. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, ITG and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.